Okay, sir.
So this is the brake pedal indication, automatic brake pedal and ignition cutoff system. So here this is the sensor, IR sensor. You go to put the whole of third point, 1, 2, 3. So that time the two sensor will be in straight line. This is IR transmitter, IR receiver. That time relay will be on, inside light will be on. Here you have this light. The light will be on. On minute. Switch on time, the light will be on. Then only the engine will be start. That without that light will not be on, the engine will be stopped. So you got to first of all switch on the system. By demo purpose, we are using the 230 volt plug, transfer receiver. Then this is the hydraulic brake cylinder, outer diameter 30 mm, 45 mm, inner diameter 40, stroke length 120 mm. This is the brake cylinder. Outer diameter 30 mm, inner diameter 25, stroke length 60 mm. Then this is the drum brake system. This is the scooty wheel, the drum brake system, battery, bearing 620 ball bearing, chain sprocket 1:3. This is the TVS Star City engine. This is the petrol tank. This is the ignition coil. That relay to here is coming. These two wire, one for ground, one for red wire. So normal condition, the ignition will be going on. Whenever the brake failure condition, the ignition will cut automatically stop the engine. This is the normal brake condition. Normal brake condition, the brake will be moving like that only. So that time the sensor will be this much down only, it will be moving. So whenever here is going, the relay will be off. The brake failure will be happen. Relay will be off means engine will be off. So this is normal time, it will brake like this only coming. The brake failure due to the wear or engine oil shortages or tube cutting, anything is problem, the lever will be moving more. The lever will be moving to here this much level. That time the race will be cutting, automatically the engine will be off. First of all, we will start the engine by switch on the system, start the engine. This is the brake failure condition. So here will be coming the piece, you go to enter the hand only, because this will move that much only. Otherwise you remove this one. அது ரிமூவ் பண்ணி காமிச்சிடும்.
அது ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு உள்ள அழுத்துங்க.
ஸ்ப்ரிங் உள்ள போகுது. சைடு விடுறா.
ரைட்.
சைடு விடுறா.
அப்படிதான் இருங்க.
அத காமி. So this much level will move. In working condition, the flat will be moving here. Cut the sensor, so that time the engine will be off. That's the brake pedal indication system. So this is the sensor, control unit, transfer receiver, ignition coil, spark plug, petrol tank, engine 100 cc, 4-stroke petrol engine. This is the clutch lever, this is the accelerator. So braking time, you go to operate the clutch and put that lever. So that's the braking condition. Thank you.